2015, paper 2, question 8, part E. For all positive integers n, let an equal to p minus pn, where we're told that p is equal to 0.75. We're asked to use this ratio to show that an is geometric and has a common ratio of a fifth. Okay, so bring it back into sequence and series, an plus 1 all over an. If you want to show that a sequence is geometric, you take any term and divide it by the previous term and you will get a constant, and that constant is the common ratio, and that's what we want to prove. So an is equal to p, which is 0.75 minus pn, and an plus 1 is equal to 0.75 minus pn plus 1. Now, further back in the question, we found what pn plus 1 was in part D of the question, and it is 0.6 plus 0.2 pn. So an plus 1 is equal to 0.75 minus 0.6 minus 0.2 pn. And when we simplify that, we get 0.15 minus 0.2 pn. Now, we're asked in the question to use the ratio, and it's an plus 1, any term divided by the previous term. So an plus 1 is 0.15 minus 0.2 pn divided by 0.75 minus pn. Now, we need to show that that simplifies to a constant. Now, at the moment, we can't cancel anything, so the best way to look at this is to look and see, can we factorize? Now, if you look down here at 0.75, we know that 0.75 can be divided by 5. So if you take out 1 out of the top, 0.15 minus 0.2 pn, okay, so multiply that by 1, and if you look here, if you divide 0.75 by 5, you end up with 0.15, and for your pn, divided by 5 is a fifth, or 0.2, so that leaves you with the minus 0.2 pn. And you can see there that they cancel, and you're left with 1/5, which is a constant, so therefore you've proven that an is geometric, and that constant also is your common ratio, so your common ratio is equal to 1/5. Now, leading on from that, what it would be best, because it's needed later on in the question, to find some of the terms in the sequence. So we know at the very start that the probability P1 of Michael succeeding is 0.7. So this is the probability of success. And we know that an is equal to p minus pn. And we know that p is equal to 0.75, proven further back in the question. So the first term of the sequence is found by a1, which is 0.75 minus p1. So a1 is 0.75 minus the probability that we already know, which is 0.7. So a1 is equal to 0.05, and we know that r is equal to 1/5. So the first term is 0.05, the second term is 0.05 multiplied by a fifth, which gives you 0.01. The next term is 0.01 multiplied by a fifth, which gives you 0.002, and the next term is 0.0002, 2 zeros there, multiplied by a fifth, which gives you 0.0004. So they are the first 4 terms of this geometric progression.